Good morning, my name is Daniel Mora. This is my speaking activity of English 1. I am 25 years old. I was born in Dinamarca, but I live in Líbano, Tolima. I am married 4 years ago. My wife's name is Xiomara Quintin. We have a child called Miguel Angel. He is 4 years old. I am an elementary school teacher in a rural school. I study philosophy at una university. My father's name is Ernesto Mora and my mother's name is Sofia Sanabria. I have three sisters, Andrea, Yolanda, and Gisela. They live in Dinamarca. I love my family and I like spend with them. I am a quiet person. My hobbies are play soccer and video games. I dislike reggaeton music. My daily routine feels in the morning. I get up at 5:45 a.m. during my working days, Monday to Friday. I make my the bed and leave my room ordered 5 meals, then take a shower and get dressed with my work clothes. I go to the kitchen and I take the breakfast. It is usually potato soup, coffee and bread or cake. Then I go to a school where I work. I take train 30 minutes, be walk for a ride to school. At 8 o'clock, I start my classes with my students. Depending on the day, there are classes like English, mathematics, science, or social. For each day, there is a schedule that the children know and complete in a timely manner. At 1 p.m., I finish my class and return to the home at 2 p.m. I take more time because I do not want to get tired. When I arrive at home, I take the lunch in the afternoon. I prepare the class for the next day, or I do my activities for the university. I do it offline because I don't have internet there. At 7:30 p.m. I watch TV, then I brush my teeth, and finally I go to the bed at 9 p.m. On weekends, the routine is different because I am in the house resting in the town in Líbano, and I don't have to work for those days. Thank you.